from the weather team with the most experience. This is Channel 7 meteorologist Barry Brandt.
Hey, welcome to spring, everybody. It happened this morning, 6:02, the vernal equinox, spring equinox, and this is what it looks like at Garvin Woodland Gardens. I know a lot of school kids were there. I know my family was there today. But look at this beautiful picture taken by Michelle Miller there on the banks of Lake Hamilton. That is good stuff. We've had temperatures in the 80s. We've had temperatures in the 60s. How about some wintry weather? Yeah, it's possible. In fact, a winter storm watch for north central and northeastern Arkansas for some wet snow up there. Let me just tell you, it's not unprecedented in March to have that. So what are we looking at? Well, it could start as a little sleet. In fact, tomorrow, as it begins in central Arkansas, we could see rain actually mixing with sleet. Temperatures will be way up above freezing. But in that part of the state, it'll be closer to freezing and 3 to 6 inches of snow. All the models kind of coming together, kind of bullseyeing an area from about Mountain Home down to Batesville with that 3 to 6 inches of snow. You know, one of the things that happens this time of the year, if we do have snow, sometimes it can be heavy because there's a lot more moisture available. Then lesser amounts all the way down to maybe Heber Springs and maybe down to Augusta and Bald Knob. And as I said, there could be a little bit south of there, but I don't look for big road problems anywhere because temperatures will be that much above freezing in most every area. Now, there will be some very slushy roads, and with heavy snow, you can have some slick roadways. So north central Arkansas, beware. This is our Futurecast model that has that area bullseyed as well. Between Harrison and Salem, probably a little bit of a peak there of maybe 6 or 7 inches of snow. I told you it wasn't impossible to have a mid-March snow. Look at these pictures from March the 9th of 1994. Do you remember it? Almost 20 years ago, 19 years ago. It was wet snow that brought down power lines. And it was beautiful up there. 14 inches of snow in Mountain Home, 13 officially at Harrison. Some areas had more than that, though. And look at that. Now, the one thing in looking at that video that I saw, most of the roadways, even with that much snow, were wet. Yeah, because we'd had warm days before. There it is right there. It was not impassable even with 1.5 feet of snow in some areas. Back to the maps we go. You can see the mostly clear skies that we have now. A few scattered clouds with us in the overnight hours, but the main storm system will be diving down from the northwest and give us our chance of precipitation. Mainly rain here tomorrow and tomorrow night. Could begin as a little sleet in Little Rock, and temperatures will be quite cool up to the north, but quite warm in South Arkansas. Believe it or not, it'll be in the low 60s there. We were at 60 today here, North Little Rock at 58. There's our Middleton sky cam, and right now we stand at 60 degrees with a northwest wind. We're at 60, so the pavement is quite warm. Let's see what Futurecast shows. Well, it shows about noontime tomorrow that sleet and snow breaking out north, rain west, and then moving in the afternoon. May start as some sleet even into Little Rock, but snow up in North Arkansas. And then tomorrow night, we'll actually see the rain area expand up to the north. So it'll be tomorrow night, and then Friday, even with rain still sticking around in some areas, I think the winter precipitation will be gone with our next chance of precip coming on Saturday. It's rainfall. Here's your forecast specifically. Quiet tonight, 33. It'll be cold after the sun goes down. And then tomorrow, that sleet and snow in North Arkansas, rain mainly in Central Arkansas, could mix in with some sleet here, and rain in South Arkansas. 45 degrees our expected high. It'll be a whole new ball game for 2 days in the 40s. Again, mainly Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That's rain, and it's early Sunday, followed by finally some sunshine. I don't see anything, though, Aaron, that gets us back to even normal temperatures as we head through the rest of March. It's going to be a cold stretch.